Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I would do my brows as a beginner. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Bye. I start by brushing my eyebrows with this NYX eyebrow glue. It keeps the eyebrow in place. Then I take a small amount of the glue on the spoolie. This part is very important because too much of the product can make your brows look very stiff. For the sake of the video, I'll be using a black pencil so you see it well. So I'll keep shading my eyebrows with this black pencil in very light strokes, not deep. Please don't dip in your hands. Just go slowly and lightly. Now look for a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin to clean the brows up. We're going to clean all the messy things the black pencil did, and we're going to get a clean eyebrows.